a title card, on screen. I gave an AI full control of my workday for 7 days. Meet my new automation overlord. Upbeat music fades in. Hook 045. Close up on creator at desk. Messy desk, multiple monitors, coffee mugs everywhere. Creator to camera. I let an AI control my entire workday for a week, what I worked on, who I emailed, when I ate, when I stopped, and I agreed to follow its schedule. No matter what. Quick, chaotic montage. Calendar autofilling with events. Email drafts writing themselves. Phone buzzing with reminders. Creator doing jumping jacks in the living room. A robotic voice saying, "Time to rest now." I wanted to know, is AI actually ready to run my work life better than I can? Or is this just a fast track to burnout and terrible decisions? By the end, this AI had reorganized my entire week, written emails I was too scared to send, and forced me to confront some truths about how I waste my time. Let me introduce you to my new automation overlord. Cut to dramatic zoom on laptop screen with stylized automation overlord online to graphic. Idaris intro yashur setup 045 to Ijiosan. Medium shot. Cleaner framing. Lower third. Day 0. The setup. Creator VO over B-roll. I work from home. I do a mix of your work, freelance design, coding, content creation, remote job, adapt as needed. Which means if I don't manage my time manages me. Show clips, scrolling social media, switching tabs, half-written email, half-finished project. So I wanted to try something extreme. For 7 days, I would give an AI as much control over my workday as I possibly could. Safely. Cut to screen recording of setup steps while creator narrates. Here's what I used. 1. Calendar plus Task Manager. Google Calendar for my schedule. A to-do app like Notion Todoist with all my tasks. 2. AI Brain. A chatbot like ChatGPT or another advanced assistant, connected through tools like Zapier, IFTTT to my calendar, email, and task app. 3. Rules of the experiment. The AI plans my day in detail, hour by hour. It can rearrange tasks, schedule breaks, and set priorities. I follow its plan unless it's unsafe, unethical, or impossible. I give it feedback at the end of each day so it can adjust. Cut back to creator talking to camera. Creator. To start, I gave the AI one giant information dump. On screen, text whooshes in as creator reads. My typical work hours, my current deadlines, my main goals for the week, how long tasks usually take me. When I prefer calls, deep work, breaks. Then I said, overlay, AI chat window on screen. You are now my workday automation overlord. Your job is to design and manage my entire workday schedule for the next 7 days to maximize focused work, reduce stress, and prevent burnout. Ask whatever questions you need, then give me a detailed schedule. Cut to creator raising eyebrows at camera. Creator. And it did. Day 1. Surrendering control. 2 SAC 4:30. On-screen text. Day 1. I obey the robot. Screen recording of AI generating a day plan. Timestamps. Tasks. Breaks. Creator. VO. This is the schedule it gave me for day 1. On screen, simple timeline graphic appears. Highway 39 Tower. Admin. Check email. Sort tasks. No replies yet. 9 Tower 11 Mil 12 about deep work. Main project A. No notifications. 11 Hour 11 if we found them on. Short walk. Piel plus water. 11:15 12:30. Deep work. Project B. 12:30 13. Lunch. No screens. Low shoddy 14. Meetings. Calls. Get to 15:30. Execution. Smaller tasks. Email replies. 5:30 15:45. Break. Stretch. Plus step away from desk. 8:45 30. Focus block. Finish any remaining tasks. Plan tomorrow. Cut to creator. Reading the schedule on laptop, nodding skeptically. Creator to camera. Honestly, this was already better than what I normally do. which is open laptop and panic. But I'd promised to follow it exactly. Another worm. Scene 9.2. First deep work block. On screen. 9. Deep work begins. Camera angle. Side shot of creator at desk. Phone screen goes dark. Creator. VO. The AI told me to turn off notifications, block distracting websites, and only work on one project. Screen recording. Using a website blocker. Toggling Do Not Disturb on phone. It also gave me a mini brief. On-screen overlay of AI text. For the next 2 hours, focus only on Project A. Start with the hardest part first. At 10, how? Do a quick cut 2-minute posture and breathing check. Cut to creator at 10. Xiao, doing awkward posture check and deep breath. Creator to camera, half laughing. I'm being micromanaged by a robot about my spine. But I got more done in that 2 hours than I usually do in half a day. La Brewer. Scene. 11 a.m. Forced break. On screen. 11 a.m. AI ordered walk. Handheld shot of creator walking outside with phone. Creator Vyokyo. At 11 it told me to stop. Normally I would have kept pushing, then crashed mid-afternoon. But the AI literally messaged me. Overlay of AI notification. It's 11 a.m. Please take a 15-minute walk, drink some water, and avoid your phone. This will improve your focus later. So I obeyed. Cut to creator walking, looking mildly annoyed but relaxed. End of day, 1 check-in, back at desk, on-screen text, end of day 1, debrief with the overlord. Creator, VO. At the end of the day, it asked for a report. Overlay, AI chat. On a scale from 1 to 10, how productive did you feel today? When did you feel least focused? Was any task too long or too short? I answered honestly. On-screen bullets as creator speaks. Productivity, 8 to 10. Most focused, morning deep work. Least focused. After lunch, breaks. Actually helpful, but felt bossy. Creator to camera. Then it said something that low-key called me out. Overlay, AI response text. You consistently underestimate how much time context switching costs you. Tomorrow I will reduce the number of different tasks you switch between. And that's when I realized this thing might end up knowing my work habits better than I do. Lara's Day 2, 2 out of 3. Email, sphere, and delegation. 4:30, 7:30. On screen. Day 2, letting AI write my emails. Scene. Drafting emails. Screen recording of AI drafting email replies. Creator watching. Creator. VO. On day 2, I let the AI take over my email. Kind of. The rule was, the AI drafts all my work emails. I approve or tweak them. I'm not allowed to procrastinate on sending them. Overlay example email text. AI draft example number 1 by professional but firm. Hi, name. Thanks for reaching out. Based on the current scope and timeline, I can deliver X by date. To make that possible, I'd need conditions. Please let me know if that works for you. Best. Your name. Creator to camera. I usually overthink these emails for like 20 minutes. The AI did the first draft in 10 seconds. Quick montage, clicking send, then visibly wincing. I was worried it would sound robotic or weird. But most people replied like, normal. No one said, now, wow, did a robot write this? Ikwaikentwar. Scene, hard email the AI forced me to send. On screen, the email I was avoiding. Creator, VO. There was one email I'd been avoiding for days, telling a client I needed to adjust a deadline, so I asked the AI how to handle it. Overlay of AI's suggestion. Be honest but solution-focused. Here's a draft. Hi, client. I've reviewed the remaining work on project. To maintain the quality we agreed on, I'll need to move the final delivery to new date. To help offset the delay, I can offer additional revision, extra asset, more detailed documentation. I know timelines are important, so if this causes issues, let me know and I'll propose alternate options. Best, Your name. Cut to creator reading, then nodding, slowly. Creator to camera. This was exactly the kind of email I avoid writing. The AI just ripped off the Band-Aid for me. Cut to sent animation. Then inbox reply. Thanks for letting me know that new date works. Creator VO. No drama. No disaster. Just communication I should have done sooner. Shiwaraduang. Scene. Task delegation and prioritization. On screen, day 3. The AI rearranges my priorities. Calendar view. Events moving around automatically. Creator VO. By day 3, I gave the AI permission to rearrange my task order based on deadlines, complexity, energy level, which I reported each morning, how long things actually took on previous days. Example, side by side before after of task list. Before my plan needs caught up. Reply to all emails. 10x'd no. Small tasks, then work on big project. After, AI plan. 90 minutes deep work on big project, no email. 30 minutes email, plus messages. 45 minutes small tasks. Break, another deep work block. Creator to camera. It basically told me, stop doing all the easy tiny stuff first just to feel busy. Do the important hard thing while your brain is still fresh. It hurt. Because it was right. Midweek. When the overlord pushes too far, 7:30, 10:30. On screen. Day 4. Cracks in the system. Scene, fatigue and over-optimized schedule. Close-up of tired creator rubbing eyes. Creator VO. By day 4, something weird happened. I was getting a lot done, but I was also tired in a new way. The AI looked at my past days and thought, wow, you can handle a lot. Let's optimize even more. On screen. Schedule for day 4. Almost fully packed. 8:30 to 10:30. Deep work. 10:30, 10:45. Break. 10:45 to 12:30. Deep work. 12:13. Lunch. 30 to 15. Lot on rise to meetings plus calls. At day 15, do something else or off. More tasks. Creator to camera. On paper, this is efficient. In reality, my brain was like, nope. Our scene confronting the AI with human limits. Screen recording, creator typing to AI. Your creator VO. So I told it on-screen chat text. Today felt too tightly packed. I need more buffer time and more unstructured thinking time. Also, I'm human. Here's what it answered. On screen. AI reply. Understood. I overestimated your sustainable pace based on limited data. Starting tomorrow, I'll add more buffer time between tasks, reduce deep work blocks from 2 hours to 90 minutes, add a 20-30 minute unstructured thinking block. Creator to camera. And that's an important part of this. AI can optimize, but only you can define what healthy and sustainable actually feel like. Parfacourt day 5 to 6. Unexpected benefits. 10:30 from 14:30. On screen. Day 5. The AI schedules my breaks and life. Scene, planned breaks that actually work. Montage. Creator making tea. Short stretching. Looking out window. Quick 5-minute tidy of workspace. Creator, VO. When you hear AI controlling your day, you might imagine a grind machine. But strangely, it kept reminding me to rest. Overlay of AI reminders. Stand up for 5 minutes. Short walk, no phone. You've done enough on this task for today. It didn't say, work until you collapse. It said, work in a way you can keep doing long-term. Dinar. Scene. AI helping decide what not to do. On screen, day 6. Saying no with an AI backbone. Creator. VO. On day 6, I fed it a list of maybe tasks, extra side project, new feature idea, optional meeting, random experiment I asked. Chat overlay. Which of these should I not do this week if my main goal is X? It answered, overlay highlights some lines. To protect your main goal, I recommend a prios. Declining the optional meeting. Parking the side project for next week. Reducing time spent on the experiment to 30 minutes max as a reward after your main work. Creator to camera. It was like having a super rational friend say, "These things are cool, but not now." We always talk about AI as something that adds more tasks, more noise, more content. This was the opposite. It removed things. Shakdui. Scene. Micro examples of real-time help. Quick cut montage, each with a simple label on screen. 1. AI, I'm stuck on this task. Screen. Code, design, doc. AI suggests next 3 steps, breaks task into smaller chunks. 2. Help me estimate this project honestly. AI. Based on your past data, double your initial time estimate. 3. I have meeting notes, make them useful. Or show messy notes. AI turns into action items, deadlines, bullet summary. Creator VO. It wasn't just scheduling. It was like a project manager plus editor plus therapist for my to-do list. Day 7. Final results. 14:30, 17:30. On screen. Day 7. Did the Overlord win? Scene. Metrics and feelings. Creator sitting at desk, slightly calmer, desk more organized. Creator VO. At the end of 7 days, here's what changed. On screen. Simple stats with icons. 1. Number of hours worked per day. Before, 9 to 10 hours of workish time. After, 7 to 8 hours of more focused time. 2. Tasks completed, meaningful ones. More big tasks finished. Fewer random half-started things. 3. Stress. Fewer. What should I do next? Spirals. More. Okay, it's on the schedule. Come. 4. Big surprise, Ninthum. AI forced me to protect my energy more than I would alone. Creator to camera. But let's be honest. This was not perfect. Tamako. What sucked? On screen. The downsides. Sometimes the schedule was too rigid. Life happened. Surprise calls, emergencies, low-energy days. The AI doesn't know how you feel unless you tell it. I sometimes followed the plan just to obey, even when it didn't feel right. Creator. The most dangerous part is this. It's easy to let the AI's plan feel more objective or correct than your own signals. But if you ignore your body and your brain, that's not efficiency. That's just burnout with better formatting. Your chakra for what was genuinely helpful. On-screen for the good stuff. No more decision fatigue about what to do next. Structured, deep work blocks actually happened. Emails were faster and less scary. I saw my real work patterns in data form. It told me to rest before I was forced to... Creator, VO. So, did I keep using it after the 7 days? Yes, but not as a dictator. More like a smart assistant that I can overrule. Torofulness takeaways. How you can try this. Hina 1730, 1930. On screen, how to make your own, less evil, automation, overlord. Creator to camera. If you want to try a lighter version of this without giving an AI your entire life, here's a simple setup. 1. Pick an AI tool. Any advanced chatbot, ChatGPT, etc. 2. Give it clear context. Share your typical work hours, your 2 to 3 top goals for the week, your current deadlines. 3. Ask it to design just one day. Prompt idea. Plan my workday from start to end. I want 2 deep work blocks, built-in breaks, and time for admin. I tend to procrastinate on type of task. Please create a realistic schedule and tell me what to do in each block. 4. Check in at the end of the day. Tell it what worked. Tell it what didn't. Ask it to adjust tomorrow. 5. Non-negotiable rule. You are always allowed to override it if you're sick, overwhelmed, or something important comes up. The AI is a tool, not your boss. Larofaf conclusion. 1930. 21 Akar. Medium shot. Creator leaning back slightly more relaxed. Creator. After 7 days of giving an AI full control of my workday, here's my honest verdict. AI is really good at removing decision fatigue, structuring your time, writing first drafts, catching patterns in how you actually work, but it is terrible at knowing how you feel, defining what enough is, deciding what makes your life meaningful. That part is on you. So if you treat AI like an overlord, you'll probably burn out. If you treat it like a very smart assistant, it can genuinely make your workday calmer. Beat. And if nothing else, you get a robot that yells at you to go drink water and stop doom scrolling. Cut to screen of AI message. Reminder. You've been working for 90 minutes. Please stand up. Creator size. Stands. Creator to camera. If you want me to try letting AI control something even bigger, like my finances, my sleep, or my entire week, tell me in the comments what you'd be brave enough to hand over, or what you absolutely never would. Pointing to screen. I'll drop my exact prompts and setup in the description if you want to experiment with your own mini overlord. Smiles. Creator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like seeing humans volunteer to be test subjects for robots. Outro music fades in. End screen with Watch Next, Related Productivity, Yacht AI video, Subscribe button and channel logo. Fade to black.